2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 1. Bar 2. Bar 3. Bar 4. Where's the span? Ready? 1. Bar 2. Bar 3. Bar 4. Okay, what we have there is called time and space. Time and space is the same. We got that from Einstein. So what we're dealing with here is this. Today's workshop is on rhythm. And what we're dealing with is this energy equals, means same as, m is weight, c is speed, and square is exponential virtuosity, exponential knowledge by the power via the power of repetition. You know, when you do something right, you increase your vocabulary, you increase your virtuosity, you increase your expertise. You know, like I got this right now. It's 2 times 2 equals 2 square. So that's what it is. This exponential power or energy that's that you're creating. Okay, so now for our rhythm study for this vignette, this tutorial is a dot placed next to a note increases its value by half of its original value. So initially we have a whole note. Yeah? So the whole note is 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bar 3, 2, 3, 4. Bar 4, 2, 3, 4. So when you place a dot next to the note, a whole note, it's gonna. What's half of 4 counts? Somebody said 6. Half of 4 is 2, right? So it's 4 counts plus 6 plus 2, like this. Now with the dotted whole note is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But incidentally, by developing your time, you can play bass. It's relative to the piano, all the rhythm instruments, ukulele, singing. It's relative. There's a law of relativity. Okay, here we have the dotted half note. So what's half of a half note? The half note is worth how many counts? That's right. It's 2 counts. What's half of it? 1, right? So it's every half note. A dotted half note is worth 3 counts. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, the quarter note is worth 1 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what happens when you place a dot next to the quarter note? Okay, so what we want to do is we're going 1. We're changing this a dot placed next to a quarter note. Quarter note is worth 4. The quarter note is worth 4 16 notes, right? So the quarter note is 4 16 notes. What's half of 4 16ths? 2, right? So it's 4 16ths plus 2. Ta, 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 ta. So instead of 1 ta, 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 2 ta, 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 3 ta, 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 4 ta, ta, 1 ta, ta, 2 ta, ta, 3 ta, ta, 4 ta, 1 ta, ta, 2 ta, 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 ta. Okay, and here we have an example of 8 notes of variation. Ta, 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 one, ta, 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 two, ta, 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 two, three, four. Okay, the next one is dotted. We have a 8 note to the dotted quarter notes. The dotted 8 note. Ta. So this one is ta ta. Do it. Ta 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 ta. And then this final one over here we have a dotted 8 note to the 16 note. This one is the 16 note to the dotted 8, the one we just did. So let's see how this one works. Dotted 8 note to the 16 notes. Ta, 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 ta. So in other words, you want to stay in the pocket. Okay, with that said, when you're doing music, your guitar is a percussive instrument as well as a string instrument. Let's see what we got here. Now I'm going to quinto. Quinto means to improvise. Here we go. So this being ambidextrous, your left hand is holding time and your right hand is holding time. So when you're playing with other people, there's a common sharing of time. It's an unspoken rule. Easier said than done, you know what I mean? You're playing with the right people, they got good time, then you can feel it, you know, exponentially. So you know, when you play with people who need to develop the time, you're actually helping them. When you play with people who had better time than you know, then you are actually learning from the experience of others. Now, what we're dealing with is called talent, intuitive talent. Okay, and what we have here is energy. Energy basically is emotional content. It's and right and left hand weight of Barques. How much right and left hand coordination do you have, right? So it's also tempo and meter. Tempo, meter, long-term goals, short-term goals, mid-term goals, daily learning objectives, nighttime learning objectives. Basically, it's anything to do with time. It's energy. Energy is strength and life. Okay, equals is the same as M. Energy means it's the same as MC2. M is the weight, like this. Watch. This is a lightweight stroke. Now watch. When I go louder, I'm adding more weight. Likewise over here, this is left hand insufficient weight. What? When I add the right Barques, and then I can produce sound. Okay, M equals weight. All things considered, mass. M is mass. So we can look at mass as, all things considered. Anything that's relative, because this is the law of relativity. Huh? Anything that's relative to music, singing, playing, dancing, emotional content. Okay, and then we have C. C is tempo. C is rate, speed. Einstein used that for the atomic bomb. He called that light speed. Okay, and then 2 is exponential energy in time. With that said, ho lohe, ho ko, ho lumua.